we came from a season where FC Goa finished in the 9th position. And the expectations must be under control, you know? There are many teams now with big potential, and we have been in the top 6 during all the season. So now we are in the moment of the truth, of course. We are in the moment when you reach or not reach the objectives, but finish in the top 6 is our first objective of the season. Tomorrow is going to be a game for us to play under pressure, of course, but if you want to play for big objectives, you are going to play this kind of games, no? So tomorrow, my team is used to these situations, no? Tomorrow we will need to face the game with cold mind and with warm heart, no? Because to take decision, it's important to be balanced in your mind. So try to prepare them, trust on them, because they have showed many times this season that they know how to play this kind of games, and you need to play this kind of games, and hopefully we can play more of this in the next weeks.